guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you the laziest way to cornrow or weave your hair into few sessions. So like most people, I used to be very reluctant to make my own hair, thinking that the people who do it have superpowers. I'm here to tell you that is not true. In this video I will explain to you all you need to know to achieve a perfect weave for your wigs. So I started off by spraying my hair with some water, then went in with some leave-in conditioner to help soften my hair. The first trick to achieving a perfect cornrow is to understand the shape of the human head. The human head is slightly wider at the front than the back, which starts from right behind your ears, which in turn makes the front hair more than the back hair. You bear this in mind when you're partitioning your hair. Next is to start partitioning your hair. But before you start partitioning, it is important to decide the number of strands you want to make. So for this video, I'll just be making 6 strands. Now that I know this, I will start by dividing from the side. I like to start from anywhere, which is one of my lazy tricks to achieve a perfect cornrow. I went ahead to use my pattern comb to measure the quantity of hair that will be on each strand because they need to be kind of similar. But even if one is smaller, it's still okay, we are still in the learning process. So now that I know what the beginning part should look like, as I progress towards the back side, I make sure the part gets tinier. This way you can be sure that your weave will get to the last strand of your hair at the back of your head. After achieving a reasonably neat line, I made sure the other part of my hair is very much secure to avoid intrusion while I weave my hair. So to start weaving, see weaving as knitting a basket. That is, you are intertwining 3 strands of hair. So divide the first layer of that strand, like you can see me do, into 3. Hold them as you can see me do. The index finger on both ends is the one doing a lot of work here, and not just the index finger, the thumb also, and the third finger. So they are working ends in hands. So the index finger holds one hair in and uses it to pull the other, like you can see me do, and that way you will continue the process until the end of that strand. So I repeated this process more than once just so that you can see the way I am achieving this weave towards the back for each strand. To watch and practice this a number of times to perfectly achieve this, but believe me, anybody can do this. You can do this on your own hair. It's not as hard as you think it is. And meanwhile, guys, I love the final look of this hair. I love it. And after weaving, I just went ahead to brush out my edges, and this is looking so good and beautiful. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.